Police say all 3 children were in safety seats, but they were not strapped in correctly. Michelle FIORE joins us live with more. Michelle.
Mike and Carol, it's a good reminder to the rest of us that those seats won't work unless we're using them correctly. We joined a Greenfield fire lieutenant right here today as he helped parents and grandparents. After an acquaintance lost her 3-month-old in a car crash, Cora Hansen's not taking any chances.
They hit black ice, and the car seat had been not installed properly, and the child was killed in the car accident.
Hansen pulled into the Greenfield fire station for help.
The biggest thing we see are loose car seats, so they just don't snug the lap belt or the latches tight enough. A lot of people just are afraid to put a lot of weight on the seat. You really have to get in there, put a lot of weight on it, and cinch her tight.
Lieutenant Weber joined us at this park down the street where we met parents and young children who didn't quite have it right.
Because I do that like once a day and it gets loose.
Yeah, this being an older car, you do have just a lap belt, and sometimes those do come loose, so you kind of just have to keep an eye on it.
Lisa KLINTT Simpson with Safe Kids has some other recommendations for toddler seats.
Where the harness comes out of the back of the seat is at or above the shoulders. So rear facing, it's at or below. For forward facing, it's at or above. We want to make sure at the shoulder we can't pinch any material. If I can pinch material, that means we need to snug it up.
And pay attention to where the chest clip falls. It should be at armpit level.
The minute the child's shoulders are above that, they're too tall. So that's another indicator. Whichever one comes first, the height or weight, they're too tall for the seat.
Rear-facing seats are only recommended for infants under age 1 who are less than 20 pounds. You'll want to check your owner's manual for the height and weight recommendations because they do vary by manufacturer. Reporting live in Greenfield tonight, Michelle FIORE, today's TMJ4.
Yeah, installation is important. Thank you, Michelle.